So the grind don't stop, according to Sicily. ATC on top, according to Sicily.
My name is Cicely, and I'm a shopaholic. I love decor, and I give all my money to Amazon. What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. I have been MIA. I know. I've been recording, right? But I just haven't had the time to stop and edit. But I promise y'all, I'm gonna get the content out for you guys. So today's video, I had to stop and work on my bathroom. So you know how you go in the bathroom when you might need some tissue or some cleaning supplies, and you look under the bathroom sink and everything fall out? Well, maybe not at your house, but over here at my house, everything might fall out. So I was like, you know what? I gotta stop and organize my space. And that was right on time with this collab that I'm a part of, because that's the name of it, Organize My Space. So everybody is going to go around and do different parts of their home and get it together. The collab is hosted by Mrs. Wanda and Just Being Sierra. I will make sure to link both ladies' channels down in my description box so you can check them out and see all of the content from everyone participating this month. So what I did was order, some supplies from Amazon, because y'all know I'm a little Amazon junkie. I admit it. My name is Cicely, and I'm a shopaholic. I love decor, and I give all my money to Amazon. So if you want to see how I put everything together, let's go ahead and turn the camera around and head to my downstairs powder room. All right, so like I said, y'all, luckily nothing is falling out, but as you can see, it's definitely cramped. It's become a catch-all. If y'all saw that Arm & Hammer box, that's good for making your own detergent. If you're interested in that, I'll be sure to link the video up above where I make my detergent from scratch for my children's clothes and for our clothes. So I was so happy that I did this process, because I was able to find my boyfriend's clippers and just other things that I actually needed. I have no idea where this pill container came from, but I would say the first step is to just go ahead and take everything out of your space and go through so you can take inventory to decide what you need to keep and what you need to donate or trash. And those bottles I'm definitely keeping. I did a haul before to show you all the bottles I use to decant my cleaning products. So all of the cleaning products and supplies in today's video, I'll have that linked in my description box. Y'all know I haven't been in this cabinet in forever, because I have curling irons. Like, I've had locks for almost 4 years. Why do I still have curling irons? I don't know. I can't seem to part with them. Who knows? So once I got everything nice and, taken out of the space, I wanted to start with a fresh palette. So I took some vinegar and water and just wiped everything down. Once I have everything nice and clean, I'll be able to go ahead and start utilizing the products that I purchased for organization.
That will probably impel you, if you know everything about it. You are not gonna like it, but 2 words, then you got it. And 2 minutes later, we didn't know we had started on mine. Speak to another. The sign to constantly see through each other. You love that, you know that. You love that, you know that.
using these clear stackable drawers just to organize my son's underwear because he is in the potty training process. But these containers are super versatile. They hold quite a lot, and I just really have enjoyed using them in the different spaces over my home. So you go ahead and fill these with whatever products you like. In my upstairs bathroom, I have like feminine products and hygiene products, so it's just according to your needs. And in this top drawer, I'm placing extra hand towels so that when you wash your hands, you can always come down here to get extra towels to dry. And in the back, if you guys saw those purple bottles, what I did was I placed the items I don't need to reach for as often. So once you label everything, you know you're ready to go. So here's the reveal, you guys. If you are here thus far, do me a favor and pop this emoji on the screen.
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, 'cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes
All right, y'all, so that was hopefully quick and sweet to the point, and I hope you were able to take something away from it that you can utilize in your space. Again, this was a collab, so don't forget to check out all of the other ladies' content. I also have other organizing videos. If this is information that you found useful, I'll make sure to go ahead and place them up in the iCards above. If you have not subscribed, I'd love to have you join the fam. Like I said earlier, I'm not sure if I said it or not, but if I didn't, my name is Cicely. I'm a disabled mom of 2 young boys, and I am disabled by way of sickle cell anemia. And I felt like it was important just to show both sides of disability and to let you know that if I can get through life with hospitalizations and fentanyl pain patches and everything else, you know what? You can get through life with whatever is thrown on your path. So go ahead and subscribe, join the fam, and let's tackle this thing called life together. One video at a time, we're gonna erase the stigma surrounding sickle cell anemia. All right, you guys, see you in the next one. Watch it.
Say that like, that, share, subscribe, do that for Sicily. Till the grind don't stop, according to Sicily. ATC on top, according to Sicily.